Hey, welcome in this movie on how to solve equations using the balance method. If you remember last lesson, we did a website, the web website, and you should have done level 4 of that. Then you basically understand what is going on with the balance method, just to make sure you have everything, remember everything. This was it. How do we do this? Well, we need to make sure that the variable, the x is on one side and the numbers are on the other side. And by doing the same thing on the left and the right side, if you use the same thing on the left and the right side, it keeps on being balanced. Well, I want to get rid of the 1 over here, so I'm subtracting 1. And you can see if I press the button, it does it on the same both sides. Minus 1 is. And then I want to get rid of the x over here, so I need to get rid of 1x. Subtract 1x. And then we have 3x is equal to minus 12. And then last step, we need to divide by 3, divide by the number in front of the x sign, and then we get to x is minus 4 in this case, as you can see over here. And what do? You need to do the same thing on the left and the right side. Both sides need to do the same. If not, it's not balanced anymore. First, you need to make sure that the variable is on one side, the numbers to the other side, and then you divide by the number in front of the variable. Okay. And the last example, and then we're done. I have x and x over here. I want to get the x on one side and not on the other. So I want to get rid of the minus 5x. So then I'm adding 5x on both sides. So we have plus 5x over here, plus 5x over there. I'm just going to highlight a bit that we're doing that. That's 1. Just look in your book. And what do we have? If we have 7x plus 5x, we have 12x. So here, 12x minus 2. What do we have? If we have minus 5x plus 5x, then we have 0 plus 10. Okay, then I want to get rid of the minus 2 over here. Then I need to add 2. If you do that on the left side, I need to do the same on the right side. I'm going to highlight, I'm going to do that. Add 2. Add 2. And after I've done that, what do I have? 12x minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 12x is equal to 10 plus 2 is 12. So we have 12x is 12. And you could use the card method, but you could also simply divide by the number in front of the x. Then we have x is equal to 12 divided by 12 is 1. After you've done that, you need to check if it's correct or not. Well, let us see. Check. Seven times 1 minus 2 is one side, and the other one is minus 5 times 1 plus 10. Let me see, 7 minus 2 is 5. Here we have minus 5 plus 10 is 5 is equal. Yay, I've done it correctly. Isn't it great? Hey, this is it. See you in class. Bye.